Hey, what's up? Welcome to a new Cardano brand video, my brother. Today the crypto market is very badly falls down. All currencies is dumps down, but don't worry, my brother. In this video I have something very special information and update about Cardano. So what's the news today? Can our Cardano will wake up or Cardano will falls down? Everything I'm going to discuss you, especially for new holder. This video is very important because absolutely sometime the coin will very badly falls down, so everyone is completely going the loss now. But absolutely, if you follow ABS Tech channel, if you subscribe ABS Tech channel, I will give you guarantee to you will never lost. My brother, this time as you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and last 24 hours, especially as you can see here, the last 3 to 4 hours, the coin will very badly fails down, minus 16.19%. the price will fails down in last 24 hours. But don't worry, don't see the sharp fed. As you can see here, the price is highest price is 2.87 USD dollar, but this time the current price is come to 2.39 USD dollar. So it's a very big difference, my brother. The price is very badly falls down just in only last 24 hours. As you can see here, the price were lost now. I think something 0.4 USD dollar they are lost just in only and 24 hours. So if they were fails down like that, so that's clear to the price will again come into 1 USD dollar. There is a chance so the price will again come down to 1 USD dollar. So kindly holder, you will need to be ready for risk. Absolutely, this is very risky time, but that's possible, my brothers, to in upcoming time the price will starting increasing. I hope in the second week especially of this month, because in the start of month every coin will fails down. So therefore I will notify you to please wake up. Don't be, this is not a sleeping time, because there is some time, my friend, there is a absolutely the every cryptocurrency were fails down. So therefore when a crypto market is not comfortable, so absolutely they were fails down. But don't worry, my brother, I hope the price will be increasing in upcoming time. You will need to subscribe this channel. ABS Tech channel will update you, guide you every day, every time. Allah Hafiz, take care.